What's up? My name is Hunter.
What's up, Skydome? My name is Hunter.
Yes. Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Ruko. Alright, my name is Axel. Kamusta sila ay? Luigi. What's up, Sulong? My name is Kaiser. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Practice kami, practice.
Okay, isa pa.
1, 2, 3. Sulong people!
Okay, isa pa.
1, 2, 3. Sulong people!
What's up? Okay, we just want to thank Paul, Sulong People Concert for really organizing this kind of space and opportunity for all of us here to celebrate the Filipino talents and skills. Both P-pop fans, P-pop organizers, and of course yung mga P-pop artists as well. Maraming salamat mga ramdam na ramdam namin na yung pagmamahal sa P-pop is really rising. Tama po ba yun? Ako para mahina, tama po ba na mahal natin ang P-pop?
Let's go! Wait lang. Mag-energy check muna tayo. Pag sinabi namin 6, sasabihin niyo sense. 6! Oh, gising pa sila, Mark. Gising pa sila. Ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko sa Pilipinas eh. Yung energy ng people. Lalo na.
P-pop?
Yeah, lalo na. P-pop community.
Let's
P-pop
go.
family. Di ba, Hunter?
Tama yan, Ruko. Yes, partner.
Well, agree lahat tayo ay sumusupport sa P-pop. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa tunog ng P-pop. Right? Bago po kayo mag-next song, gusto ko sana namin magpa-picture sa inyo. Kasi here's how we're going to celebrate our holidays. Kasama po kayo. Kaya gusto namin maging memorable daw. Okay na po ba magpa-picture? Thank you po! Kaya we want to honor the roots of what really inspired most dreamers like us. Nandito po kami because may isang grupo na naniwala sa talent nila. Kaya kami din, naniniwala din kami sa talento namin. This song is very special to us because like our idol, the group, gusto rin namin na ipakita sa mga P-pop fans kung gaano kaliwanag ang ilaw kapag sama-sama tayong lahat. This song is Ilaw by SB19.